Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 2 Academic Word of the Day, displace, for Week 4, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Displace has two syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the second syllable, place. So we say displace, displace. We have two definitions, and both of them are verbs. The first one is to take the place of someone or something. Right? And this is a little bit different from substitute, because usually it's there's a connotation here of that the person that is being removed or whose place is being taken is not a willing thing. It's not something that they're willing to do. So someone has to take their place. It's not really replace, but displace. It's kind of moving them out of the way. Let's look at your sentence example. Many elementary schools displace the study of cursive with the study of keyboarding. Okay? So before, it was very popular for students to learn how to make their letters like this. But with the advent of new technology and computers, the study of cursive has kind of got pushed aside. And instead, now we encourage our young students to learn keyboarding, how to type. The other definition, also verb, is to force people to move away from their place to another place, from their home to another place. Again, so there's this idea that the people who are being moved, they're not going voluntarily. They don't really want to move. So here we have an example for this definition. Wars often displace people who must flee their homes because of their fighting. So if the war front comes to the village of a people, and the people there are not, soldiers, they're not fighting people, they might have to escape, run away from the fighting so that they are not hurt or killed or taken prisoner. So wars displace people. Okay, let's take a look at your familiar words. Displaced is your adjective form or participle form. So you can say the people were displaced or the displaced people. And the process is called displacement. That's your noun form. Synonyms are uproot. And that's exactly like it sounds. I mean, you pick up a tree, you dig out a tree and move it. I mean, you're uprooting it, and probably the tree is not, happy to move. And we have shift and dislodge. Dislodge. Our antonym is to stay. So that's your academic word of the day. Be sure to write an original sentence using displace as a verb, and include an illustration for your flashcard. Happy studying.